Hi guys, and welcome to Tech Anorak. So I just wanted to do a really quick video as the Pixel 5a has been announced in the US today and Japan. So unfortunately the rumours are true, it is only going to be released in the US and Japan. And yeah, it's a device I'd like to get. It's more interesting than the Pixel 5 itself, and it's got similar specs to the 4a 5G, but I don't really care about specs. I care about the experience of the device in your hand and how it navigates. Is the software smooth? Can you do everything you need? The camera's good, so obviously it would add the additional ultra wide lens that you can get on the 4a 5G, but it's got some nice features as well. So it's going to be $450, which I think's probably 380 English, 400, something like that. British pounds. It's going to be a 6.4-inch device, so similar size to this, my Samsung A12. So yeah, as GSM Arena confirms here, it's going to have the IP67 dust and water protection, so that's a nice feature to have. My 4A doesn't have that, any sort of protection on it, nor does the 4A 5G. It's also going to get that big 4,680 milliamp hour battery, and it's going to get 5G also, which the 4A does, 4A 5G does. This is only a 4G phone, the smaller 4A, but yeah, bit disappointed, as I say, guys. The other big feature as well, it's as it says here, it's an aluminium unibody, so more like the Pixel 5 flagship. It's going to still have the 765G, so it's sort of a mishmash of the Pixel 5 and the 4A 5G. The downside, I think the only thing that's missing was wireless charging, so it's an aluminium design. I don't think it would cost much to have the wireless charging coil in there, but hopefully it will come to the UK at some point. I'd even consider importing it myself. I love my 4A, and it's my only, first ever and only Pixel phone that I've had. My wife's got the 3A, which is why I bought this, because I was jealous of the camera. But I am a convert now. I do like Pixels, and yeah, a bit of a shame it's not coming, but hopefully Google are going to do something and bring it out later in the year, or there'll be a way to import it for not big custom duties, etc. So yeah, it's a little bit sad. We'll see what the Google Pixel 6 and 6 Pro bring. I think from all accounts, they're going to be premium devices, aren't they? So they're going to go up against Apple, that says to me, and Samsung. So probably Google Pixel 6 is going to be £800 or $1,000 to probably 1,000 UK pounds, $1,200 for the different memory sizes. The 6 Pro, that could go anywhere. It could go 1,000 UK, 1,200 US starting out. Then it could go all the way up to £1,400 UK, 1,600 US. Just going off Samsung and iPhones. But Google have got an opportunity because they've made their own sensor chip. Perhaps they'll keep the cost down, but obviously Apple have got their own chips and Samsung, they don't do that, So we'll see what happens, guys, as I say. But I love my 4A. I've not had it a year yet, so this is staying with me. It's as I always say, it's close to my heart. I've started my YouTube career with it, if you can call it that, But I'm 100 subscribers in today, guys, so I feel like I'm getting somewhere. And yeah, I just thought I'd do a quick video. Sad we're not getting the 5A straight away at launch, but let's see what happens, guys. So hit me up in the comments as always. Tell me how you're feeling. Would you have liked the 5A, the option of that? Would you now pick up the 4A 5G or the Pixel 5 if they get reductions? Will you wait for the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro, or will you go for something left field? I've been in a Samsung shop today and I've been giddy about the Samsung Z Flip 3 and I've made a video about that, so I change my mind at least 2 to 3 times a day on what phone I want. I love phones, but yeah, as always, guys, put some comments down, ask me anything you want. Let's just have a bit of a laugh and a discussion as well about phones and whether you're bothered about the 5A not coming. All right, guys, so thanks for watching as always and listening. Take care of yourselves. Take Anorak out. Have a good week.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.